Right guys, we're down at the beach enjoying the sunshine. Got a quick unboxing with this AliExpress bargain, the KF18, little clone of the Armour Outcast. So let's check it out. There's a box, guys. We've actually got the red one, whatever it is, that one with all the stickers over it. So got steel shafts on there, 3S brushless. Comes with a battery. Oh, check it out, guys. That looks epic. Little clone copy of the Outcast. 1/14 scale. So got a set of tools and charger in there. Instructions and the controller. Right, let's get it running. So you got retainer clips on there, old-fill shocks, non-adjustable, double wishbone suspension, 3S lipo with him, brushless little motor. So we'll try him out. Let's test him out. Yep. Footage. Well, it's plenty fast enough for the scale of it. Put in with your ease. More footage. Yeah, 65 quid on AliExpress. Brilliant little truck. Not the most stable.